Alright guys, so welcome back to the 7th update on Cyclone Freddy, this unbelievable cyclone. Now a high-end category 4 again on the Saffir-Simpson scale. From our latest satellite analysis, the storm has really shocked pretty much everyone with its eye wall appearance. I mean, its eye wall appearance, it's nearly got a cloud top of minus 80 degrees or more wrapping around the whole eye wall. It's just that western part which hasn't got those pink cloud tops. If it gains that, we could be looking at a category 5 here. Also, the eye does need to round itself out a little bit more, but if it does that, it's really a viable contender for category 5 status. And currently we're giving it maximum sustained winds of 155 miles per hour. That is 135 knots. You'll see why in just a second. Gusting with winds of 190 miles per hour. It's moving west-southwest at 17 miles per hour. This is starting to be a threat to land. Like I said before, it's a threat now to Mauritius, La Réunion, Rodriguez, and Madagascar, maybe even Mozambique in the long term. And here is the estimates. ADT going with winds of 160 miles per hour. Cyclone going with winds of 155 miles per hour. The open air going with winds of 150. ATCF going 130. And we're going with 155. Along with Cyclone at this time. I mean, it is just a remarkable appearance. A lot of satellite estimates are starting to reach category 5 status at this time. Like ADT. And I believe AIDT is nearly there as well. Open air also at 150. Cyclone 155. It's just shocking how quickly this storm is intensifying again. Could we see a second category 5 peak? You never know. Take a look at the JTWC forecast cone. This is quite outdated now, but you can see they're expecting that peak north of Mauritius, 120 knots. I mean, it's already blown that out of the water. And we could see that landfall in Madagascar potentially as a category 3 tropical cyclone, maybe a bit weaker. And then it enters the Mozambique channel, and strengthening starts pretty much instantly once it enters the Mozambique channel. And then by that point, it's going to be a threat for Mozambique itself. Take a look at the GFS ensembles. Now, this is a worrying sight. We could see every single one of those ensembles, at least an orange track, it looks like, making landfall on Madagascar. And then it goes into Mozambique channel. Pretty much all of the ensembles also have it making a landfall in Mozambique at this time. So Mozambique does need to watch this very carefully. It's very likely it will head there. And take a look at the Dvorak. Now, this is a very classical buzzsaw appearance of a cyclone. We can see a cloud top of at least minus 75 wrapping around the whole eye. On that western side, it is minus 75, but if it gets to minus 80, oh my, it is a very powerful cyclone. At this time, it is very near category 5 status. In fact, it might even be there, but we don't really know because we don't have recon that go into these types of storms. So realistically, the storm could be holding category 5 force winds, but we don't know. ADT suggesting category 5. We're suggesting very high in category 4 from our latest satellite analysis. Here's some more imagery. This is CC flow imagery, and we can see really good. It's looking incredible, to be fair. That eye just needs to round itself out. If that rounds itself out, I think we'll have a certain category 5 here, heading and barreling in the South Indian Ocean. Anyway, thank you for watching this update on Tropical Cyclone Freddy. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.